coming from Long Beach, we cut differently. It's just in our genes. It's just in our DNA to be musically inclined. I've always wanted to do something in Long Beach. They got a bunch of young kids that's from the same area that I'm from. It's great that we can, lend our professionalisms to inspire and hopefully help them get to where they need to get.
Look at me, what you say.
On behalf of YMCA and the LBC, we want to welcome Snoop Dogg to our youth program.
Yeah. Yes, sir. We didn't have this type of center when I was making music. So for you guys to actually have a building where you could come in here and make music and hear it and sample it and make some mistakes, get it right, keep making some hot music, and if y'all make something hot enough, I got a few dollars for you. For real. Let me hear what you're working with, nephew. That's how you feel? Like that?
Crazy.
That's hot.
So what helped you get those people around you that help, come up, basically?
I think it's not who you know, it's what you know. So when you do get connected, you know what you're doing.
I done got 2 ice.
Ooh, wait!
I wanted to learn how to produce, and that's kind of what drove me, because we got new programs, new equipment, and that really helped.
Try some different drums, because you got the kind of music that can go somewhere else. All y'all got a special quality about yourself, but practice at being great. When somebody put the headphones on, that sounds just like mine. I gotta get rid of that. For real though.
Even though we're different people, we all use our creativity, and this music program helps us project that into technology.
That's some beautiful music right there.
We've learned a lot in the time we've been here.
I need some hit producers to come out of here so we can put a plaque on the wall. Yeah, he's here. He went to this school, he went to this school, and she went to this school.
I'm at the YMCA-LBC, baby, all day, every day. So we gon' rock it in a special way. Battle Cat gon' take me away. Yes, sir. LBC. Please believe it.